Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add HTML code to your Wix website. Very easy to do, but before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys I do have a full Wix playlist down below in the comment section as well as in the description, so be sure to go check those out if you're looking for more Wix tutorials and tips. Anyhow, I'll show you guys how to get started in adding some HTML code to your website. So all you want to do is go to Site Actions and Edit Site from your dashboard, and it will quickly bring you into Wix ADI, and then from Wix ADI, we're going to go over to the editor. And once the website pops up here to your right, it says go to editor, just click on that and click on switch to editor. And then it will bring us over to the Wix editing site. And once you're on the Wix editing site, all you got to do to add the HTML code is you just gotta click on add, and then you just want to go to the embed section right here. And then you see the option for HTML iframe. So you want to click on that. And then you will get this box right here. You just want to stretch it to however size that you would like. And then you put it to where you would like. So let's just say right there. And then all you have to do to add the code is you just click on enter code. And then here is where you would add in your code. And once you add in everything that you would like, you would just click on apply, and then that will save it over to your website. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add HTML code to your Wix website. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.